How to open Monzo bank account in UK for international student. Everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can open Monzo bank account in UK for international student. So first of all, you need to check the eligibility. So you must be living in the UK with a UK address. Monzo won't open an account without one. And you don't need UK tax residency, just residency and address you will be needing. And after that, you have to download the Monzo app to your smartphone, available on iOS or Android. And after that, you have to sign up by entering email and UK phone number. And after that, you have to provide passport or BRP or EU ID and complete a selfie video for verification. You don't need proof of address during sign up. Monzo will send you a physical card to the UK address to confirm it. And after that, you have to provide an address like enter UK mailing address when prompt, can be in student halls or friends. This is where your debit card is sent. After that, your MasterCard debit card arrives within 5 working days. Activate it via the app or start using it. And after that, once activated, your account is ready. You can set up direct debits like rent, phone bills, get paid from a UK employer, use budgeting tools like pots, split bills, and real-time notifications. And Monzo doesn't offer dedicated student perks like interest-free or overdraft, but you can still use a traditional student account alongside it for benefits. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.